Hey guys, welcome back to Late Night Cooking with Arina. Today I'm going to have the beautiful arepas from Venezuela. So please stay tuned, press the button, give me the like, tell me what you think. Yes, I know what you mean, pam pam pam. So arepas from Venezuela, press the button, subscribe yourself, give me love, say what you think. That's it, arepas Venezuela. Recipe is in the description of the video. Thank you.
I'm racing the clock, look at them flock, watching them flop. Used to see this in my sleep, when I ain't had put my thoughts in the car, I really was lost. Now I'm public with the soundscapes, floss, I'm really pulling strings for the pound cake. I see you went for a puppet in the clown face for a little wage. The talk of the town is late, still me, I never switch sides, came a long way with the gas tank running on fumes, wonder why you full on the envy. When it's all love, when I fall through with the young bulls, getting niggas a kidney, but you ain't mob, you a op. Must be lost in the sauce. Been here for the art and the jump start. Wanted this is mom packed the lunchbox with the Kool-Aid jammers. And I'm still throwing tantrum. I'm set to roam around the planet where they know the songs and they chant them. The vision turned into fruition. I'm really liking how it's panning. They call me collector, you thought I planned it. Been crazy, then it fell into place. Now everything's stable. I'm all in on the table. You selling that fable, we know that it's made up. We know what you made of. I do better offline, yeah. I've been calling to a guy, I'm in tune with the signs. I'm just trying to let go, I'm just trying to be me. I'm just trying to do fine. Moon landed with the elevation, arm strong with the levitation. My third eye needed calibration, that was heat rock when I notated. I've been going crazy. Stone face when I kill beat, even no trace on location. Premeditated, ayy. Can't even be still for like more than a minute. The way that they play out, I don't wanna miss out on no part of this shit. Feel like I'm deep in the plot of a flick, and I'm the star of this shit. And I've been playing my part since back when we started this. Feeling charged, got a little coin on me and I sauce with the nits. I'm a boss, I'm a prick. With the cold showed up in the road doja in the fourth quarter, no assist. and the form's hella crisp. I'm the calm in the storm, I took my own struggle when I flipped it. And the hustle been legitimate. It's so many blessings, I might be allergic. How I move, they treating it sound like I'm stirring up, working the pot till it's firm. I serve like Arina, do it the cleanest. You not on my wave, you can't handle the current. Nah, that's just a teaser, yeah. I'ma be me, take it or leave it. I do better offline, yeah. I've been calling to a guy, I'm in tune with the signs. I'm just trying to let go, I'm just trying to be me, I'm just trying to do fine.
so guys, 5 o'clock in the fucking morning, 6, 7, something like this, very long. Already so finished. My super arepa, long, boom, 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 super nice, beautiful arepa. You can see, wow, so nice. Time to have arepa.